Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update Intel Graphics Windows DCH drivers for Windows laptop or desktop computers. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now, in the browser, type Intel DCH drivers. Search for it. Then just go to the first link. From here, you can see different version of the Intel DCH driver. You can either download it from here. And this is basically the manual process. If you wanna automatically detect your version and the driver and automatically download it for your PC, what you have to do is go at the top, here click on support. After that, under drivers and downloads, you need to click on download center. This will bring up the automatically update your drivers and softwares thing. And in here, you need to click on get started. From here, you need to download Intel Driver Assistant Intel DSA. Just click on it to download it. Then just wait, it will start to download the software for you. Then just open this. Then just agree to the license and click on install. After that, Intel Driver Assistant and Support will be installed on your PC. After that, just open it and it will detect your driver and just update it using it. And basically that is how to update Intel Graphics Windows DCH drivers on Windows laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.